Hey guys, today I'm going to go through my EDC. Basically it's for June, but it's what I've been carrying in the month of May. I'm going to start with some of the things that never really change, and then I'll start going into the rotational items. So first up, we'll start with the Fisher Space Pen. Next up, this is new since my last EDC update, but it's a lumen top light. I put the button on there. It comes with two options. You got a screw top or the button top. The main reason I got it is for the button top. And this is my new wallet. I switched from my Outlet ripstop to this Sharpn'd brand's wallet. Has the clear ID card, couple of credit card holders, another flap here, but one of my favorite features is this. For any of your cards that's used more frequently, instead of going through trying to dig out the whole wallet, you just pull that tab and it comes out, push it back in, the tab goes back in. So that's it for my mainstay items, things that's in my pocket every day. Now we'll start with the knives. First I have the Lion Steel SR2. And the Best Tech Swordfish. This is pretty new too. I wanted to try another little keychain utility knife. So I got this Victorinox. The little blade, it has a file. And the scissors is actually the most functional or most used part for me. Yeah. Has tweezers. Another oldie but goodie for me is the Enzo Burke 75. Been carrying this a lot. And last up, the Benchmade Griptilian. Alright, so those are all the knives that have been in my pocket for this month. So on to the watches. It's my Hamilton Field Khaki King. I got this about a month or two ago. That's been on the wrist regularly. Next is the Seiko Sarb 035. And last up, this is the Fitbit Blaze. It's actually the watch I wear the most out of all of my watches. Alright. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. That's my EDC update. It's going to be titled the month of June, but this is basically my rotation from the entire month of May. I think next up I'm going to do a top 5 most used knives in my collection. I saw a video from Patty Potato Peelers that did that, and I thought it was pretty cool, so I think I'll jump in on that one. Until next time, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.